What's up, guys? J&D cards again coming at you. This is our second box break of Panini Prestige. Let's get a little close up of the numbers. High focus. 2995 ending in Panini Prestige. This is actually my box. We both, like I said, picked the box. So let's get cracking on this one. I'm going to try to make this one a little faster for you guys. Hopefully, feeling some RG3 or Angel Luck mojo out of here. And we're hoping to open up more products for you guys in the future. Like I said, we'll see what happens with that. We'll keep up. Alright, let's get the camera ready. Alright, start cracking in, guys. Get them open. Try to go through these a little faster. I'm still trying to learn all the players. Alright, Matt Bradshaw, Vernon Davis, Mark Sanchez, rookie, Bernard Pierce. Our Draft City Destinations, Chris Givens. And a Hanadi AJ Hawk, and extra point emerald of Jeremy Macklin. And that is number 13/25. Nice little hit right off the bat. That was pretty nice. Right. Willis McGahee, Anquan Bolden, Jermichael Finley. Second Draft City Destinations, it is Isaiah P. for the Rams. Our rookie is Devon Still. We also got Deshaun Jackson, Chris Johnson, and Carson Palmer for base. Alright. Malcolm Floyd, Brandon Jacobs, Alden Smith, AJ Jenkins, first rookie, Alfred Morris, extra points, nice, it is not numbered there. So. The last three base, Brian Urlacher, Paul Bazia, how do you say it? I kind of just stumbled through that name because I didn't see the last one. And Greg Little. Alright, guys, and also make sure to check out our Facebook page. And it's at J&D Cards. Alright, let's see. Hoping to get some nice good hits out of this one. Dustin Keller, Earl Thomas, AP, Beast. Kevin Zeitler, rookie. Our first passport is Chris Givens. Last three base are Larry Fitzgerald, Tony Gonzalez, and Clay Matthews. As you can tell, I really am not the best at opening these packs. Right. Rob Gronkowski, Phillip Rivers, Marcus Coulson, rookie Trent Richardson, our first ticket for the Baltimore Ravens, Bernard Pierce, and Patrick Peterson, Brandon Pettigrew, and Fred Jackson for the base. Pretty thick pack. It's probably a decoy card though. Kenny Britt. Darius Hayward, Josh Freeman, Brock Osweiler rookie, for the stars of the NFL, Peyton Hills, decoy. Got D'Angelo Williams, Austin Collie, and Jermaine Grisham for base. Let's see. Alright. Plexico Burst, Marshawn Lynch, Brandon Lloyd, Jarius Wright for our rookie, DeMarcus Ware of the Cowboys, 4 stars of the NFL, the decoy. We have Jacoby Jones, Cameron Wake, and Champ Bailey. This one might be a patch. Antonio Gates, Santana Moss, Asante Samuels, Jerron Kreiner, another Draft City Destinations, DeVere Posey for the Texans, and the first patch, Brock Osweiler for the Broncos. And it is numbered 84 out of 149. He seems to be pretty good, but I don't know if he's going to get a lot of playing time with Manning in there. Reggie Bush, Von Miller, Ray Lewis for the bases. Let's see. Michael Crabtree, Darrelle Revis, Truveris Jackson. Rookie is Ryan Lindley. Connections, Michael Vick to LaShawn McCoy. Oh, who is this? Indianapolis Colts. A Kobe Fleener ticket autograph. It is not numbered. But bam, on card auto, Kobe Fleener. So, that is pretty good. Like it for our first auto hit. Ed Reed and Ryan Grant for the base. Colts have been cleaning house in these 2 boxes we bought. Really hoping to see a Luck or a Griffin. Auto would be nice, even a patch. Darren Sproles, Patrick Willis, Victor Cruz. Rookie is Keshawn Martin. NFL prestigious picks. It is Melvin Ingram, Jonathan Stewart, Blaine Gabbert, and DeQuell Jackson for base. Right. Heartline. Wes Welker, Ryan Mathis, Greg Childs rookie, Passport for Isaiah P. And Kevin Cobb, Javad Best, and extra point Jonathan Martin of the rookie. He's of the Dolphins. He's a rookie, and it is numbered. Oh wow. 666 out of 999. That is not a good card. It will be going up on eBay very quick. I'm not really superstitious, but geez. Like, that dude has some bad stuff out for him. Come on, let's see. Michael Jenkins. Heath Miller. Jared Mayo. Fletcher Cox, rookie. Little Michael James, Prestige Picks. Pretty cool. Then we have Greg Jennings, Steve Smith, and Des Bryant. Let's see. Right. Getting there. Trying to get a little faster at this. Mike Williams. LaDainian Tomlinson. Golden Tate. For the rookie, Chris Rainey. For the Giants, David Wilson ticket. Extra points, Nick Foles. Nice, another emerald. This one's numbered at 999 there. And it is 2 of 5 at 999. That's not an emerald, I'm sorry, that is a blue or a black, whichever you want to call it. It's extra points. And Roddy White, Charles Woodson. So got 2 hits coming. Hoping to hit some of the big rookies, maybe auto on card, be nice. Patch, Charles Long, or Chris Long. Centennial Holmes, Sidney Rice. Bruce Irvin, rookie. Extra points, Terrence Gainaway, rookie, not numbered. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Andre Caldwell, and Matt Moore. Right. Sorry, trying to keep this desk low. It's a pretty small area to work with. Actually, I think I'm just going to go to the rookies and the hit stuff now. You guys have seen enough of this, I'm sure. Dan Herron for the rookie. Oh, nice. Rookie drafts is Dante Hightower. Flacco, Johnson, Cutler. Chandler Jones for the rookie. Chris Gibbons, extra point, also not numbered, for another rookie. Newton, Manning, Green. Trash out of the way. D. Hall. Hulu. Harris Smith for the rookie. Stars of the NFL, Marshawn Lynch. Okay. some Eli in action. Eli Manning. Keaton Hicks. Melvin Ingram, rookie. Ahmad Bradshaw, stars of the NFL. Alright, base. Got about 5-6 more packs to open. 2 more hits still coming at us. At least we're hoping. Devin Wiley, rookie. Another ticket for the Bears, Alshon Jeffrey. And there's our patch. Felix Jones, 2-color patch for the Cowboys. Not a bad, nice little 2-color patch right there. It is numbered. It is not numbered. Huh. Alright, it's Prime. Gamers. There you go. It's our 3rd hit. There's the last 3 base. Donald Brown. Alright. Isaiah P. for the rookie. AJ Jenkins, prestigious picks. Marshall, Tim Tebow. Looking for that last autograph hit. Walter Fletcher again. Michael Smith, rookie. Connections, no, league leaders. Marshawn Lynch and Willis McGahee. The number. Tim Tebow. Numbered 1379 out of 1500. I guess that Tim Tebow, I don't know if you snag one of those in every box or if he's just the popular one, but I got one in the last box too. Mark Taylor, rookie. Dwayne Allen, passport. Nice passport. Like I said, Colts are cleaning up in this thing, man. Oh, and there's my last autograph. Oh, and I just slid. It is a DeVere Posey for the Texans. 4th hit. Should be the last of them. Let's see. So maybe we can have a little snag in the 5th hit. Courtney Upshaw, rookie. Dwayne Allen, prestigious picks. Decoy. Shaw, Williams, and Forte. The base. Last pack, guys. Appreciate y'all sticking with me through this. I'll try in the future not to make some 20-minute long videos. It's Troy Polamalu and Hernandez. Ben Roethlisberger. Rookie is Casey Keenum. Extra point rookie, not numbered. Andre Branch. The last 3 bases are Pierre Garcon, Greg Olsen, and Colt McCoy. Alright, well thanks guys, I appreciate it again. And we'll keep opening boxes for you as long as we can afford it, guys. So we'll keep coming to you. Thanks, bye.